Hey guys, so if you are looking for a drone that's in budget and that can suffice your travel vlogs, your travel videos, then the DJI Mini 2 SE, I think it's a good choice. So let's take a look at the combo box. So this is the bundle fly more combo, and in this combo we get the aircraft, the controller, extra battery packs, and a very nice bag. So what we'll do is we will unbox this first. This is the nice case that we get this DJI in. Let's open it up. So that's everything that comes up in the box. So this is the aircraft. This is the controller. These are the battery sets. This is the setup guide, the quick start guide, and the app. These are the extensions where you can plug in your phone to the device. These are some spare aircraft wings, propellers, and then a screwdriver and some extra screws. Starting with the battery pack. Okay, so this already has two batteries and one battery should be in the aircraft itself. This comes with a nice charging hub. Now this is the controller, and you have the controller buttons down below. You can just take them out and screw them in. And there you go. I will not unbox these. These are just the propellers and screwdrivers. This is the charging cable. Now this is the actual aircraft, and this is really tiny. I mean, it's even smaller than the controller. So let's take it out. Okay, so now we have come out in the garden and we'll take this off for a spin. So here I am connecting the mobile device to the controller. Make sure you have the DJI Fly app downloaded on your mobile device. On an Android, it's better to download the app directly from the DJI website and not from the Play Store. Okay, now on the DJI controller, tap once, and on the second tap and hold, and similarly tap once and the second time tap and hold on the aircraft. Okay, so we have the device connected now. Now let's put it on a flat surface so that it's easier for a takeoff. And on the mobile device screen, on the left side you will see a small takeoff option. So press that and now press and hold the takeoff. Okay, there you go. The visuals are brilliant, even though it's a 2.7K, but it's high quality video. So you don't compromise on the video quality that much. On the left side of the joystick, it is for if you push it up, the drone will go up. If you push it down, the drone will go down. And if you circle it, then the drone will circle at the same spot. The right side of the stick, if you push it up, it will go forward, and if you pull it back, it will come backwards. And if you push it sideways, it will go to the side. So this video is directly from the DJI Mini 2 SE device, and you can see how vibrant the colors are. So that is the view of the area that we live in. And here you will see a little bit of light difference. So that is one of the drawbacks I would like to mention in this DJI Mini 2 SE. It lacks a little bit of high brightness quality. The takeoff and landings are smooth, although the battery lasts around 25 to 30 minutes on the normal mode. So if you are taking the device on an adventure, then I would highly recommend the combo pack because it has two spare batteries which you can use. We just headed to the football field nearby, and there were a few kids playing, so I thought of capturing the video from the DJI drone.